Tired of crash diets and endless workouts that don't work? Let me show you how to lose weight fast, naturally and sustainably. In this video, we'll explore effective, natural ways to shed those extra pounds without starving yourself or spending hours in the gym. The foundation of natural weight loss is what you eat. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Reduce processed foods and sugar. Remember to include metabolism-boosting foods like green tea, spicy peppers, and apple cider vinegar, but in moderation. Did you know dehydration can slow down your metabolism? Make sure to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Start your day with a glass of warm water with lemon to detoxify. Small changes can make a big difference. Walk for at least 30 minutes daily. It's as effective as running for weight loss over time. Add resistance training or bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups to your routine. High stress leads to overeating and fat storage. Try incorporating yoga, meditation, or breathing exercises into your daily routine to manage stress. And remember, 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep is non-negotiable for weight loss. To track your progress and stay motivated, you can use fitness apps or a simple journal. Remember to focus on progress, not perfection, and celebrate every small win. In conclusion, by following these natural weight loss tips, you can achieve your goals. If these tips were helpful, like and subscribe for more natural health tips. Share your progress in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.